And it's not too often that we get up close and personal with these heavy-duty mortise and tenon timber trusses. You get to see the intricacy done with each truss. You can see the beautiful hand hewing, the extra detail around the bottom that creates what we would call an acorn. It's just great to see them this close. This is such a cool loft. I could see it being used as a sitting area for reading or watching TV. There's certainly no views lost up here. The heavy-duty glass allows for a clear view of Lake Petenwell, 11 miles all the way down the lake. Carrying through with the nautical theme, the client wanted a canoe mounted from the ceiling, and I think it fits well in the space, and it fits well with the home. While we're upstairs, let's take a look at the guest suite. It's as equal to or better than the master suite when it comes to the amenities in this room. Just take a look at the view outside the gable dormer windows. With this design, it allows for sloped or vaulted ceilings on the second floor, and that allows for massive volume and height upstairs. These ceilings reach up to 14 feet in height. And check out all the detail in the ceiling work. We added 8-inch ridge beam, 8-inch rafters, and both of them are hand hewn. And like I mentioned, there's no amenities lost in the guest suite. We have a large walk-in closet and then a very extravagant bathroom. The first thing I noticed about the awesome tiled shower is that there's no curb on it. Clients want a smooth transition into that tiled shower. Let us know that you want this feature and we'll plan for it in the design phase. I love the pebble floor in here, and they also bring that same stone as an accent strip into the wall tile and into the niche. The angled glass wall is a great idea to keep water into the shower, preventing it from splashing out. And the window also gives you a view while you're taking a shower. Directly below us is the master suite. Let's go check it out. So as we're in the master suite, I definitely see maybe a softer touch in here. We have more drywall in here with the massive hand-hewn timber accents. So that's one thing to note, is that even though it's a timber home, it doesn't have to be all wood. We can certainly add drywall in different textures. Just let us know what you'd prefer. Here's a couple things I like about this window is we have water on all sides of this home. So you have a great view of the lake, but then we also lower these windows. So now this allows for easy access to the hardware to open and close the windows. A fireplace is definitely a design feature clients are requesting in the master suite. And there's a number of different ways that you can add a fireplace. There could be a gas, a wood burning, and even gas fireplaces that don't turn out heat. A design feature that I love about this fireplace is that the hearth is raised, so it can act as extra seating if you need to sit down, take on and off shoes, put on socks. The hand-hewn mantle ties in perfectly with the timber rafters above us. And then LED lighting. LED is a game changer. It can be added just about anywhere in the home, and you can see how it accents the stone beautifully on this fireplace. I'm out here on the private master suite deck. The views are extraordinary. Most decks have a view that is straight out. This deck has a view of the entire lake. Imagine sipping your morning coffee to this extraordinary sight. Now that we're on the exterior of the home, it's a good time to talk about the maintenance-free aspects of this design. This may look like wood, but it's actually a concrete timber facade. It's going to be maintenance-free from the actual siding to the trim work. So this product will never need to be stained. It also has fire-resistant properties. So if you're in a state that has wildfire mitigation codes, this is going to be a great product to utilize in your home. The entire exterior of this home is maintenance-free. From the first floor facade, which is the concrete timber product, the dormers that have stone, the maintenance-free shakes on the gable ends, and even the exterior windows has a maintenance-free cladding. We have aluminum powder coat painted, maintenance-free railing. The decking is even maintenance-free. It's a composite decking that doesn't get hot on your feet to touch. Your pets will love it. And it's also non-slip when it gets wet. We're back here in the master suite. Let's go take a look at this great master bathroom. As you walk in, you're gonna see this amazing view that we have even from the master shower. Here's a great tip for your walk-in tiled showers. Mount your handle sets where you walk in, not underneath your overhead rain cans and your body sprays. Let the water warm up before you jump in. As a continuation of the theme upstairs, we did no curb in this shower as well. And we also added some other aging in place features like grab bars, high-rise toilets, 3-foot doors are throughout, and lever handles let you age in place with your new home. Typically you wouldn't want your plumbing on an exterior wall, but what we did here is for a wall on the inside of the exterior wall. This allowed the plumbing to run up to the handle sets. And then that also allowed us to use a built-in mirror above the vanities. We've got some very unique trough style faucets. The nautical theme is carried throughout this bathroom as well, ties in with the rest of the house. And then if you notice, this kind of worn edge on the stone vanity top complements very well with our worn edge timbers. Cabinetry is not just for kitchens and baths anymore. We design a lot of cabinetry for walk-in closets. This is a great example of a great use of cabinetry in a walk-in closet. You can see everything would have a space, everything's nice and tidy, and the homeowners love it.